Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to count how many Loom recording videos you've made. So this is going to become particularly useful for people who are making a lot of Loom recording videos and you simply just want to know how many Loom recording videos have I made. So with that being said, this is going to be a short, simple, and sweet tutorial, and with that, make sure to follow until the end in order to learn how many Loom videos have you created. So what we're going to do first is go onto our Loom account, and on this Loom account, on the upper right hand side, this is where you're going to see how many videos you've actually created on your Loom account. So let me go ahead and actually refresh this. And as you can see, I have 28 videos. That means that there's 28 videos within this library that you see over here. And it's also important to note that even if you create folders, if I drag and drop this video into this completed folder here. So what we're actually going to do is drag this video here and put it under completed. The video count is still going to say 28 videos. So if I go ahead and refresh that, as you can see, we still have 28 videos. So what it's actually counting is that there's one completed video within this folder here, and then there's 27 completed videos within the library uncategorized folder. Now, in order to actually reduce this number, what we're actually going to do is that we're actually going to archive this video here. So if I right click this and then click on archive, now you can see that the notification has been sent that that video has been archived. If I go ahead and refresh it, now the count is at 27. So if I go under my archive column, you can see that I have one video archived. So under videos, the only way to actually reduce this count is by archiving the videos. Even if you place them within folders, it's still going to count all the videos as a whole. Now, if you actually go into this folder here where it says completed, now it's going to count the videos that you completed. So here we have one video. So in my case, I wanted to make sure that because I'm editing these videos, every time I edit a video, I'll drag it into the completed column. But that doesn't mean that this video count would actually go down. The video count only goes down if you archive the videos itself. So if I under archive, let's actually go ahead and unarchive this one here and then go back to our videos, and let's go ahead and refresh this. And as you can see, we now have 28 videos in our Loom account. So that is how to count how many recorded videos you've made on Loom. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments down below. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below as well. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.